Hey guys, welcome back to my channel where I help you with wealth building and entrepreneurship skills. And today we are going to discuss 5 self-improvement books that changed my perspective of life. Number 1. Man's Search for Meaning. I must have read this book 3 or 4 times already, and each time it is a moving and transformative affair. The first half of the book details the author's experience in various Nazi concentration camps, while the second half gives a brief introduction to the branch of psychotherapy he developed after the war. Number 2. The Power of Now. This book changed my entire view of money and wealth. It made me realize that my yearning to be rich was based on a fear of scarcity, and that chasing even greater fortune actually hid the true abundance that was all around me. Number 3. The Brain That Changes Itself. What I thought might be quite a challenging and technical book turned out to be effortless to read, utterly engaging from cover to cover and greatly motivational. It taught me just how plastic the brain is and how this can lead to changes in our behavior. Number 4. Why Zebras Don't Get Ulcers. Stress is probably one of the biggest things I have to confront in my daily life. So I decided to find out a little bit more about what it can do to body and mind. While this book will not cure you of your stress, it might start you on the path to calmer future. Number 5. Out of the Darkness. I read this book a number of years ago now, but I remember being amazed at just how resilient the human characters can be. This book is made up of a number of real life stories, and it looks at the transformational impact that an intense trauma or turmoil can have.